so this is Julia, and today I decided to show you makeup idea, and this is probably what you can try and you can do. This isn't hard at all, and this isn't professional, because I know that when today people filming makeup videos, they are in a more professional way, but anyways, please tweet me or send me your pictures on Instagram if you did this makeup idea. Write in the comments what do you think of this makeup, or what videos you want me to do. Thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. So let's go!
So I'm starting off tying my hair into a ponytail. And after that, I apply primer to my skin. I also recommend to apply BB cream because it is good for those hot summer days. Then I take a corrector and start sculpturing my face. I apply this color underneath my eyes and also to my eyelids. Then I apply this color to my forehead, and I apply that to the sides of my forehead. Next, I apply dark color to my cheekbones. And I sculpture my nose. I take my brush and apply brown eyeshadows to my brows. And if you ask me why am I applying eyeshadows to my eyebrows, I will tell you because my eyebrow shadows has finished. Next, I apply the pink eyeshadows to my eyelids. Then I apply this color to my crease. It is dark, don't really know how to call it. I apply powder to my skin. I apply dark and a bit of light contour to my forehead, and then I apply powder. I apply a mascara to my eyelashes. And two lip pencils, one darker and one brighter, to my lips.
So thank you so much for watching. Write in the comments what do you think of this makeup, and write in the comments what videos you want me to do. Write in the comments what videos you want me to do. Thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel. And please, if you did this makeup idea, send me that on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter, and I hope I will leave the links in the description box if I won't forget, so I'm sorry. Anyways, and see you in the next video. Bye!